All right, we're back at another episode of Made in Jersey. We're in Middletown, New Jersey today, home of our third office. We're at Mav's Buns. How are you guys today?
Oh, we're great.
Mav's Top Buns, sorry. How are you guys today? You're the new owner. It's been here 2 months.
Yes, 2 months.
Tell us about it.
So first of all, the buns are awesome. I can't say anything better about these things. They're amazing. We're super happy to be in this business. Dan and I are both accountants by background.
Accountants now making buns.
Yeah, that's it. So definitely an exciting new venture for us.
Mm-hmm.
We just feel like our employees are awesome, so passionate about what they're doing and the creations that they're making here. I mean, it says it for this.
We got the OG, we got Reese's, strawberry coconut, rainbow, and banana pudding.
Yeah.
Look at this too here. We have this.
Those are our baby buns. So those honestly fly off the shelves because customers will bring them into the office. Yeah, everybody.
I love it. And now you're the new owners. You took over from a great business, and now you're in the Bottle King Plaza in Middletown, which everyone knows. What's the address?
It's 1092 Route 35 in Middletown.
All right. And what should everybody know when they experience? Like, what are some of the things you did? Like, I didn't know when I first got here that you did like the catering and the baby shower. So let people know some of the things that outside of just coming in as a walk-in customer that they can experience.
Sure. So one of the first things we did right away was introduce loyalty cards. So people are passionate about the product. We want them to come back. We want them to feel valued. We always want to create a warm, welcoming feeling into our storefront. So that's something we've been really working on and driving. We put up some new signs, new presentations for our buns every day, I guess. Mm-hmm. And then we're also working on getting our brand out further, working with more businesses, working with schools, doing a lot of fundraisers. So one of the things that was like important to us of like owning a Main Street business was really being a part of the community. And so we've already done a couple of really successful fundraisers for daycares and some schools. Great. And we're going to be involved with a lot of the gift auctions that have been ongoing. So we're really happy to be a part of that. And hopefully the community feels like how excited we are about the brand and what we can offer as well.
Awesome. Now you have the farmers markets coming up as the weather changes. And then what about shipping?
Yeah. You want to talk about shipping?
Sure. So we just did a first run of shipping with us being the new owners. So that was fun. Honestly, we were in the back boxing things, taping it up just so we can figure out the operational aspect of it. We are really focused on driving efficiency here, making sure our products are top quality, top notch, as they always should be. No recipes are changing, by the way.
I don't think they need to.
No. And if anything, we're just adding more onto the list, trying to get creative. There's about 70 flavors here. Wow. Not all at once, but we rotate throughout the year.
That's awesome.
Yeah. And so shipping, I mean, was such a cool aspect for Dan and I to be in it and learn about it. We shipped to people in Texas, in Florida, in Washington State. Like, people from all over are looking for these things. And
now, where can people find you if they want to find you online?
Yeah, we're on Instagram at Mav's Top Buns. We're on Facebook. I think we have.
Well, this was great. Thanks for having us come in today.
Yeah,
I wish you nothing but the best, and this is going to continue to thrive.
Great. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We're very excited to have you come.